End of day GeoCon with the one and only Mr. Lambic.
What's up?
Straight gangsta. We got ourselves a dope beam up here, man. We got a rafter, bunch of scaffolding that Parker here is cautioning off. So we don't want people climbing on this stuff. It's for professionals only, right?
We both almost died today via splinters.
Yeah, we had some terrible splinters. I got an owie there. Where's your owie?
Right here.
Ooh,
straight in the rib.
Owie. So
but we took it like men.
Took it like champs, And
I guess.
this bad boy over here is sided.
Yeah.
It's wonderful. We had a slight miscut on the other side, but it's like too big, so you can just cut it down a little more, and then they'll finish up that side. Almost done with siding. All right, dope day. Dope day. Dope day. Dope day.